Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. It's me again, Subtech Christopher. I'm going to take you through how you extract text only from a string of both numbers and text. So if you're given such data where you have to extract only text, it is very simple using the filter function. That is an array filter function which you can only find in Office 365 and testing whether it is a text. So here is it. You start equals to filter, then you select the whole range, comma. Now we test is it text, so you use the function is text. You again select the whole range and enter. So there it gives you only text. The moment I change this to 345, it changes. The moment I put here subtech, it adds itself. So that is it. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.